What happened? We'll put a comma b comma s. Okay, and next output. Okay, output comma output output y. Okay, output y, and I am writing always at the rate. So sensitivity list a comma b comma s. Okay, begin begin. Okay, and next if, okay, if uh, true condition s equal to one tick binary, s equal to what, one tick binary 0, one tick binary 0. Okay, what I need to write, one tick binary 0, y equal to what, so y equal to a. Okay, y equal to a, and else y equal to b. Y equal to b. No semicolon here. If block, no semicolon. You are checking the condition, no? So you are checking the condition. If it is true condition, it will go here and it will execute the true condition, or else false condition, like this. Okay, okay, and end module. Okay, y equal to, here I need to declare output with which data type? Reg data type, no? This is behavioral modeling. I need to declare with which data type? Reg data type. Okay. Now it will take. So just save this and elaborate the design. So you got the marks now. A, B, and S and Y. This is two cross one marks by using if else statement. Is it fine? Do you understood? Okay. And next we will go for case statement. So how to write the case statement? So case statement is next procedural statement, conditional statement. These are the conditional statements. Okay. So case statement. So what is the syntax for this case statement? Case selector, case selector, and value one, and code for value one, and value two, code for value two. Okay, up to so on. There is, for the case statement, there is a default statement. Okay, default default. So here this is a like a comment only. Okay, code for this, here you need to write the code for default case also. Code for, need to write code for default case. Okay, and end case. So like this you need to write the case statement. Okay, so here if you see how to write, for same marks I am writing. Okay, same marks I am writing. So 2 cross 1 marks, 2 cross 1 marks using which statement? Case statement. Okay, how to write? First module, my module name is mux. Let us take module name is mux. Input a comma b comma s, output reg y, always. I can declare with a star also, it will take always at the rate star Okay, begin implication operator. I told you, no. So that will be applicable for all inputs. Okay, and case yes, case yes. If it is a one tick binary zero, one tick binary zero, if s equal to zero, y equal to what? A. Okay. If it is one tick binary one, y equal to b, y equal to b. And what is the default case? A default colon y equal to one tick binary x. Okay, we need to have the default statement. Otherwise, it will infer as a latch. Okay, we will discuss during the test bench. Okay, end case and end module, end case and end module. Okay, like this you need to write. Okay, so I'm writing in the Vivado. Is this fine? The code is fine now. You understood or not? Hello, waiting for your response. Hello, am I audible? Hello. Okay. So next you see, just add the source. Next, create file name. Okay, create that file name underscore